Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Beckstrom here, and welcome to Math 110 Fall 2018 class. I hope you all had a great summer, and I look forward to having a great semester here. So this is just a welcome video, and I'm just going to show you a few of the things that you're going to want to know in order to be successful in this class. So the two main things that we're going to be using are Moodle and MyMathLab. All of the homework and tests and the SLO quiz will all be done in MyMathLab, which you can see that right here. And all of the housekeeping issues such as contact information, the course syllabus, due dates, all that kind of all those kinds of things will be here in Moodle. So let's take a quick look at Moodle and the important parts of it. So Moodle, this is kind of the welcome screen here. The first thing that shows is announcements, so make sure that you're clicking on that every day. We'll be sending out at least a couple announcements every week just to do reminders of tests and homework due. And I will also, if there's any changes or updates, I'll put those in announcements as well. So that's real important for you to kind of keep current with the class. Going down here, you see a lot of different information. The important things for you is going to be the syllabus. The syllabus has almost everything on it, including the due dates, the dates for the tests, the way the grades are calculated, all kinds of good things, and the course schedule due dates. You can actually go directly to that if you don't want to go through the syllable. You could click on that and you'll see it'll give you each of the sections. That's where we're going to be working on in a 2-week period, and then the date of that test. So if you look down here, you'll see that here's all the dates of all the 8 tests. Here's the date of the final exam. So, for example, all of these sections here in Chapter 1, those are all going to be available for the 2 weeks before Test 1. So it's going to be available as of tomorrow, August 13th, and it'll be available until 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, August 26th. So make sure that you get those homework assignments done, and then that next Monday, all day from 12:01 a.m. in the morning until 11:59 p.m. at night, you'll be able to take that test. And that'll be the same for each one of these sections and tests. So the Chapter 2 will be in the 2-week period from August 27th until September 9th. So it'll be due by 11:59 p.m. on September 9th, and then the test 2 will be on September 10th. So it's kind of an easy way to remember it. Every 2 weeks you're going to be taking a test, and that 2-week period before the test you're going to be required to submit those homework assignments that are in MyMathLab. So going back, let's see here. If you go down a little bit, you'll see just these are the most important links here. There's the syllabus, due dates, and then the MyMathLab link. So it'll show you how to get into MyMathLab, and the registration instructions. Those are really important to be able to make sure that you get into MyMathLab. You're going to need to get a code from the bookstore. And you'll use that code to register. If you don't get that code right away, you can sign up for a 14-day trial where you won't have to pay. But the course ID number that you're going to need, you might want to write this down, is Beckstrom 03715. So it's BECKSTROM 03715, and you'll need that in order to register for the course, and it's also in the instructions and other places as well. All right, so going back to here, it's going to it should list your grade here. I've never seen this before, so I'm not 100% sure of the functionality, but there'll also be other ways in order to check your grades. You can usually go to the menu button and go down to grades, and it'll have your grade down there as well. So let's jump over to My Math Lab. So once you register and you get into My Math Lab, you pick on our class here, which is Math, Measurement, and Literacy. And you'll get a home page similar to this. And any current assignments should be on this home page here. So for example, homework 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5 are all going to be available right away, so you might want to start doing those. I wouldn't wait until the last minute because some of those can take quite a while. You'll have unlimited attempts on the homework up until the due date, in which case there's no late assignments, so make sure that you're getting those done early, because if you have some type of issue, you're going to want to definitely get that resolved before the due date. All right, and going back to the course home here, you can also go here. It should say, I have an assignment manager. You guys are going to have a little bit different on there, but it should say something about assignments, and you'll be able to also pull up your assignments that way, and it should show everything that's assigned. But as long as you're doing the ones that are on your main page there, you should be good. All right, and let me give you a little bit of contact information. So that's going to be faculty contact information. You just click on there. So here's my business phone, and then I have an email address here, zbeckstrom4061 at vgcc.edu, and that's it. There's no office hours or an office number because I won't be on campus. I'm actually off campus this semester, unlike last semester. And you can also sit down. You can request face-to-face, which would be a video conference or a chat session or a phone call, and we'll get back to you. I normally get back within 24 hours, usually pretty quickly. That's it. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I hope you have a great semester. Please don't hesitate to let me know when you're having questions or when you're stuck on things. The My Math Lab is great for walking you through it with the example helps, but sometimes you just need to fill in that little piece of information that's keeping you from successfully completing that problem. All right, have a great semester.